There is a rhythm in the soil of KwaZulu-Natal. Can you feel it? It is not just the heartbeat of the drum. It is the heartbeat of a nation waking up to September, when the winter sheds its gray skin and the hills of Nongoma turn their faces to the sun. The maidens come. They do not just walk, they flow like tributaries feeding a great river. Thousands of sunflowers blooming in motion, carrying the history of a people in the palms of their hands. They carry the umhlanga. The reed, long, slender, resilient, cut from the riverbed where the water runs deep. It is not just a plant, it is a promise.